Hi, I'm Maria Helena Branco, Global Application Specialist at Biorigin. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a great snack with 50% of sodium reduction using a special umami natural flavor. Nowadays, the concern about sodium consumption is still on top. It is not new that the consumers are still looking for food with less sugar, sodium or fat. Market surveys indicate an expectation of growing for this category around 9% between 2018 and 2025. So it is still a challenge for food developers to reformulate the recipes without losing taste appeal. So the idea is to show a great and healthier sweet potato chip recipe with less sodium but loaded with umami and taste impact. For this recipe, I'm going to use Biorigin SFE201, a non-salt natural flavor based on dextrose fermentation and naturally rich in umami. To start, let's prepare the seasoning mix, which will be a mixture of salt and the natural flavor. You can see how easy is the ingredient mixes in the salt. Mix well and is ready. Even with here I will just pour in the surface of the potato in a bowl. The potato is already prepared in advance. Mix well and it's ready. Even with 50% less salt, it is possible to enjoy a snack with great salty and umami taste. Boost the deliciousness by using Biorigin ingredients. If you are going to use low sodium salt or other salt replacers, Biorigin SFE201 can help you to mask the off notes of some of these ingredients. Check out the recipe in our virtual booth. Bye. Thank you.